Hey, it's me, Martijn, and this e-bike over here is the Vanpowers City Vanture. And it didn't arrive like that. In fact, it took me around 1 hour to fully assemble the e-bike. Which is not that bad because it saved me $90. But don't worry if you're not that handy, because there's a pre-assembled option as well. But being from the bicycle country of the world, the Netherlands, it was really high on my wish list to do this once in my life, to assemble a bike from A to Z. So let's discuss the assembly part first, and then I will share some of my highs and lows with this e-bike. Alright, the do-it-yourself part. The very first thing that I did was take everything out of the box in search of the manual. Along the way we've got several protective cases for all parts, which are numbered by the way. Just imagine you've got yourself an IKEA product. It is not that hard, luckily. Once I've got to the accessories and manual box, everything became much clearer and difficult at the same time, as the manual is only in French or German, so keep that in mind. Luckily the manual is with lots of visuals, so once I started, more and more pieces fell in place. You start with the center part of the so-called tenon and mortise frame design. Along the way you have to route some cables, and I tightened some nuts and bolts. And then we reached to the part where I had some fun with these over here. Now that will eventually hold the rear wheel though, so in order to complete the frame, these have to be installed to make the frame rigid. Before we installed the rear wheel, I quickly installed the fork and the steering wheel, so that later onwards we can flip the bike and work more easily on the last few pieces. After installing the crank and make sure it's in the opposite direction of the other crankshaft, it was time to insert the wheel. Lock and tighten it. There's a cable tray to guide the power cable from the motor towards the main frame to make sure it doesn't get hit by the 180mm disc brakes. After connecting all the cables, it was time to insert the front wheel too. And oh boy, that was smooth and right away very clean. No adjustment needed over here. And then there are just a few things left to do. Installing the pedals for example, and I also fixed the handlebar on both sides by adding a bell and brake levers. The bike was basically within 1 hour ready to go. Now, before I forget, let's have a quick look at what else this City Vanture e-bike, that is designed for urban commuting and everyday use, has to offer, which is a lot and with many branded components. It features for example a Pro Max lightweight and durable aluminum frame with a comfortable and adjustable saddle from Brown Justech to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike is also equipped with a Bafang 250 watt rear hub motor and a 36V 7Ah invisible down tube battery, which can provide on paper a maximum range of around 80 to 130 km on a single charge. In real life though, I believe it's rather 55 to 60 km based on the weather conditions, road surface and your personal weight. That's what I'm at least achieving here in Holland. Oh, and best of all, within 3 hours the battery is fully fast charged. The City Vanture also comes with a range of convenient features, including an IP66 waterproof TFT colored LCD display that shows you your speed, distance and battery life. Furthermore, Vanpowers equipped this e-bike with metal pedals from 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 and 180mm Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, which are known for their reliability and stopping power. With my brake test, it took only 3 meters to come to a full stop from 25 km an hour, which is excellent and one of the best I've tested here on this channel. The maximum speed is not 25 km an hour though. The City Vanture supports all the way up to 32 km an hour. It also features a Gates carbon drive belt, which is a unique and innovative alternative to the traditional bike chain. The belt is made of carbon fiber and polyurethane, which makes it incredibly strong, durable and low maintenance. And best of all, when fully equipped, it only weighs 15.5 kilograms. It is also good to know that it's designed as a single speed setup, which means that it has only one gear. A single speed setup provides a simple and straightforward riding experience with minimal maintenance requirements. This is all done through the resistance or assistance of the motor. However, it is important to note that a single speed setup may not be ideal for all riders or riding conditions. In particular, riders who frequently encounter hills, steep bridges or uneven terrains may find that a single speed setup limits their ability to maintain speed and power. So overall, the City Vanture from Vanpowers is an versatile and practical high-end electrical bicycle that is great for longer commutes because of its high speed, or even running errands in case you pick up a bike rack from their website. With its lightweight and modern design, powerful motor and a long-range battery, it provides a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to the traditional transportation methods. One potential downside could be the price, which can be found via the link in the video's description because it fluctuates a lot. The City Vanture is a high-end electric bicycle with many advanced features, and it may not be within everyone's budget. Moreover, it's missing some really basic safety features like an integrated front and or rear light. They did provide you with a front light, but I believe there was a nice way to integrate one in the steering wheel over here. Alright, and now I have a question for you. Don't you think it looks a whole lot like this e-bike over here? That's an e-bike I've tested nearly a year ago on the channel, and if I'm honest, it looks a whole lot, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below after watching this e-bike. Now thank you so much for watching this video because we already reached the end. Don't forget to subscribe so that I see you in the next one.